Hey y'all, it's Mia Scott, also known as Southern Cultured Hair. So as y'all can tell from the title of the video, today we're going to do a little unboxings. Let me get my camera right. / review, kind of just my thoughts on the Dyson Supersonic blow dryer. Yes! So, first, I'm going to say this. Excuse my little cough in there. I'm gonna say this, and I'm not editing that out. I just don't care. Like, seriously. Half the battle with making YouTube videos is trying to be perfect, trying to make sure everything, your makeup, your hair is done. As y'all can see, my hair is molded. And because I partially dried it, I want to finish drying it with this blow dryer because this Friday, I'm starting in a new salon, and I'm kind of excited about that. I say kind of. I'm excited about it. And I want to use it because I don't want that day to be the first day I use it. Duh. Okay, so, of course, I kind of opened it, but I didn't really open it because I wanted to save it for y'all so we can look at it at the same time, okay? And I know y'all probably say, girl, where you come from? I do this every year. I don't know why I do this. I've been on YouTube for a few years now, but how many videos do I have? Like maybe 5. I got to do better. I know, to the little bit of followers I do have. I appreciate y'all. And I hope y'all enjoy this. But I'm going to say this. Okay, first of all, people probably saying, oh, the Dyson blow dryer. You bought that expensive blow dryer? Yes, it's called, in the beauty industry, it's called an investment. Okay, it's my field, it's my career, it's what I do, so why not make those investments, right? So I'm a hairstylist that mostly do blowouts, so why not have the best tool possible to do it with? Let's open it up. I'm so excited. Okay, so I partially opened it, but so I ordered mine from Ulta online. It only took about 2 business days to get to me. And I think I ordered it on a Sunday. On, I want to say Tuesday or Wednesday. It was like on my front porch, okay? So it didn't take them long. They don't be playing around. I appreciate that. I appreciate when you order something from a company and they don't take forever to send it to you. I think we all can appreciate that, right? Because you're sitting on the... I might get this out the box sometime today. You're sitting by the door, not sitting by the door, literally, but you know how it is. When you order something, you waiting for it to come. Okay, this box looks like this. I'm not sure. It's 2 boxes inside of the box. So there's that box, and then there is this box. So if I had to imagine, I would say the blow dryer is in this one. And it comes with a stand, so I would say this is probably the stand part of it. Okay, probably should have had a knife or something. I'll be right back. Okay. Going to open it up. I got my handy dandy scissors. I'm so excited. Okay. Because y'all know, we is my people. I don't know about all other people. You know, but my people, you know, we have the audacity sometimes, the tendency to say things like, oh, well, if I pay $400 for a blow dryer, it better blow dry for me. Well, technically, boo, you just the operator. It is blow drying for you, okay? Don't ask me why I'm looking. I'm looking. Okay, y'all. This was in that box, and it's the stand. So, let's open it up real quick here. And some directions to tell me how to use the stand. And honestly, y'all, I'm not going to... Oh, there it goes. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. So here it is, like this. And then you have this piece, which would be the base piece. And I would imagine you slide it in like that. That's what that directions say. So that's it. So that would be the stand. And I'm going to use the back of the box to show you. I guess it would kind of sit just like that. Cool. Cool. As De'Ara would say, who you know got a blow dryer that come with a stand? I'll wait. And I know you say, I know good and well you don't watch DK4L. Yes, I do. And you should too. I love them babies. And I know they're not babies, they're grown adults. But, you know, my age and their age, they babies to me. And they living their best life. And I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, so now I'm going to open this part. And that's the top. I got it off. And it says hello and welcome to your new hair dryer. I'm so excited. That thing is so beautiful. Okay. Oh, jeez. Diffuser. Concentrator, the small concentrator, and then it comes with, oh no, that's the, oh, that one was the large one. Slightly large concentrator, and this is a tinier attachment. And when I watch videos on this, because of course I did do a little research before I bought it. Turn my little necklace on. The thing that was really appealing to me, as well as how it worked, was when it comes to how it works, I'm sorry. It's a lot of cord. It's gold. And I heard about that piece, and people were saying they didn't know what it was about. And honestly, I don't know. It's like a power bank, but it plugs in. So here is the cord. Ooh, it's fairly long. I like that. And I do have a plug down here right by me. So I'm going to plug it in, and we're just going to see how it sounds. There was something else I wanted to say. And there's this little piece, which I imagine is the attachment for the, I don't know. I'll figure that out at a later date and time. Okay. I'm gonna plug it up. Don't y'all judge my little setup here. Mind your business. Okay. Yes, God. That's amazing. Okay, and it has a cool shot button here. I'm gonna turn it back on. Has 3 levels that it can turn. I'm gonna turn it off just because I don't know if y'all can hear me, but okay. So I don't know if I need to talk louder or whatever. I'll just raise the volume on it if I need to. But it has 3 on this side heat levels. I'm gonna turn it down. Okay, and that is the force levels, like the force that is coming out on this side. So that's a little quieter, a little softer. This baby just hot. Whoa. Woo. Okay then. Okay, Dyson. I ain't mad at it, but this is the thing that attracted me the most about the dryer. Oh my God. Hey, don't do it. It's magnetic, y'all. Ooh, and it's on there too. It's not like a flimsy magnetic. It's like, try a different one. Oh my goodness. Hey, okay. Life-changing. I swear. Like, I've had other blow dryers before, and when I tell you, I'm not getting paid for this review. I bought this blow dryer from Ulta.com, like I said, with my own coins. It's light. I mean, it feels, oh my God. And you know, being right-handed, a lot of times, you know, of course, if you're going to blow, if you're doing something, like I'm blowing with my brush in my right hand, so I'm operating it with my left, the blow dryer itself with my left hand. So baby, baby, when I tell you this is going to be amazing. Yes, yes, yes. And it's the feel of it. Like, a lot of times by the end of the day, because I've held the blow dryer for so long, blow drying 3 or 4 heads, like it feels great. Like, it don't feel like at the end of the day my shoulder will be sore, or my arm, you know, from holding it. Amazing. Okay. And let's see what else is in here. A little mat. I've seen this. I guess it's like a little mat that you can like sit. I'm gonna use the back of the thing again to show you that you can just kind of like sit and lay it on. And I'm not sure how to go about putting it in the stand. So I don't want to hold y'all up sitting here fumbling with it. Unless y'all want me to. You know. Thank you, Jesus. Y'all, tell me why this is magnetic. This snap. Oh my God. Hey. Tell me why this snaps on here too. Oh my, look. Bounce. Yes. Oh my God, that is so amazing. And then I heard somebody say, I've seen the pictures at night. I ain't heard somebody say, like when you see the pictures, this part's always down here. So if I could, I imagine that this part goes up here. Oh, that part goes on that side. Here. Maybe if it's in the, how do I sit it now? Oh, maybe those go on the other side. Okay, so maybe, okay. So the attachments probably go, okay, back there on the back. Y'all, I'm sorry, but I'm figuring this out right now. Okay, I got it all together. Thank you, Jesus. I'm sorry if y'all don't believe in Jesus. Get off my channel right now because I'm sorry. You know, hey, I believe. Only the Lord has something to do with creating something this beautiful. Okay, y'all. So, anyway, I'm going to take it out to my bathroom with me and I'm going to use it so I can be the first one to use it, okay? Okay, so I hope that's not too much of a glare from my light here in my bathroom. So, just so we can see what this baby's about, I'm just gonna finish blow drying this mold out so I can bump my hair. I want to use it on first heat and the second wind. That's just what I'm going to call it. I don't know. Oh my God. Yeah, I like it. I love it, y'all. If it's comfortable for me to use on my own hair, it's definitely going to be comfortable for me to use on clients. And all we know, ergonomics is important when you're working. But even if you are just somebody, y'all look at that. And it's almost dry too. But even if you're somebody that washes your hair a lot at home and you just want a good blow dryer, yep, this is it. This is it. This is definitely the one. Amazing. Oh my God. And my hair wasn't real wet. It was just kind of damp. But that's it. Less than, that was what? A minute, 2 minutes? It's dry. Oh my God. That was it. So I'm going to curl up, finish getting ready, and I'll be back to finish up with y'all. Okay, so I didn't want this video to be too long, but I figured why not just let y'all see me like bump my hair a little bit. And we can chit chat, see what's going on with everybody. And yes, look, y'all, tools and products are important, but it's not always about the tools and products. And I'm not going to do anything spectacular with my hair. I'm just going to bump it. But y'all, this is what I curl my hair with at home. My $400 blow dryer and my $20 flat iron. Okay? Okay? Now, of course, in the salon is where all my expensive tools are. So this 1/2 inch that I'm using, my FHI, is at the salon. So, but at home, y'all, whatever. That blow dryer is going to be at the salon. And when I'm at home, I'm going to get under my sit on the dryer, and my hair is probably going to mostly just air dry the rest of the way. Like the rest of the way that I just finished blow drying it out. I wouldn't do that normally, but I have to go somewhere. Like I got things to do. I got things to do. And keep in mind that I said I'm not doing nothing fancy with my hair. Just as Raymond Torgano would say, I'm just explaining it. I'm just explaining the cut. Okay? Just smoothing it out. Giving it a little bump. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. So, y'all, my year has been a year. I don't know how else to describe that, y'all. But I decided for 2020 that I want better. Another one of my reasons for joining the tribe, if y'all don't know what that is, it's like he's an educator, and I first found him here on YouTube, and now he's this. Well, he's probably always been doing great things, but he's really doing like the online beauty membership, whatever. And I decided for 2020, which is not 2020 yet, as y'all can see, with my Betty Boop Christmas sweater here. Santa baby. But anyway, I just wanted to come on before the end of the year. So if I don't see y'all again before the end of the year, y'all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. But I decided to start my 2020 and 2019 just getting ready. And I decided as a beauty professional, I wanted to become even more professional. I wanted to invest in my career, in more education, and really get my career popping, you know what I mean? So I decided to invest in more education, better products, better tools, everything, because all that matters. Especially the technique and the implementation of the techniques, you know what I mean? I just had an awesome class. Like, so y'all may not know this because I don't know if I ever spoke on it before, but as well as doing hair for myself, I also work for Sport Clips. Talk about that on another day. But it's amazing though. Because you as people, we tend to, because I don't want to be negative. Because as people, we tend to look at the negative parts of something. I have learned so much working for that company about the hair industry and just in general. Business-wise, how to conduct yourself. That 5-point play they have is nothing but how to be professional. And from start to finish, get it done. You know what I mean? So, I had an amazing class this past weekend with just kind of like a look and learn class with some of the other employees of Sport Clips there in another city with Roy J. White. And he's an educator with Hanzo Shears. So, I mean, just amazing. So if you ever get an opportunity to take a class with him or see him in action, don't miss it. Just don't miss it. I'm talking about a lesson in cutting efficiently. Like, just so much knowledge in that 1 hour. Just, it was amazing. So, yeah. So, we almost done here, finishing up. Like I said, y'all, nothing spectacular. Just want to add some bounce, little bounce to this thing though, so I'm not walking around flat today. Because if I didn't care, it's exactly how I would left home. Oh, let me show y'all one other thing, y'all. Because I said I'm investing in my tools and products this year, so we'll talk about products more in other videos because I promise y'all I'm going to do more videos in 2020. I'm not playing with my business. I'm not playing with my YouTube channel. I'm not playing with anything. Okay? So let me show y'all what I cut my sides down with. Y'all, that is all of the curls I'm doing. And I'm going to get my comb and I'm just going to kind of like comb it out with my fingers. I actually sprayed Nairobi Sheer Shine on it before I started curling. Just a thermal protectant. My husband. But anyway, I just want to show y'all my new clippers. So if y'all want to see a review on these, let me know. They're so bomb. Because somebody that cuts hair a lot, I am a hairstylist, but working for Sport Clips, I cut mostly men's hair. And I want to implement that a little bit more in my personal business as well, cutting hair. Not just for men, but for women, like doing the pixies and all that kind of stuff. So I got this because the clipper guards for wall clippers, which is mostly what we use at Sport Clips, are all 1/8 of an inch. And this beautiful baby here came the same way, so I won't have to struggle with learning the guard lengths. But I kind of want to try other clippers too. But this thing is beautiful, and I heard so much about it, and I wanted to try it. So this is what I use to like kind of taper my sides down with on my hair. So if y'all want to hear about that, let me know. Get another video. Okay. So we finished, y'all. And y'all, honestly, this is the move right here to style my hair. Like, seriously, y'all will be surprised how less it really takes. It's not really all that complicated. My hair's kind of like cut into like a mohawk type kind of thing. That class that I took with Roy J. White was a mullet class. Like, did y'all know the mullets are coming back? That's what they say anyway. But anyway, y'all, that is it. I'm going about my day. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all. Appreciate you. Enjoy your Christmas. Have a happy new year. And I will see y'all in 2020. Y'all stay blessed now.